making a mess? Oop. Grace, where do you think you're going? Where do you think you're going? Throw the books on Ryan. There we go. Hi. On the floor. Let's have a look at the floor. What a mess. Poor Sadie, she's got no room to do anything. Oh, look down here. Oh, Grace was here just a minute ago, it looks like. What do you say, young lady? Grace. Ryan. Wave to Mummy. Come on. Don't walk away from Mummy. Where do you think you're going? Ryan. Ryan. Wave to Mummy. Good girl. Grace. Wave to Mummy. No? Grace. Grace. Wave to Grandma. Good girl. There we go. Here's Grace on her fifth lap. Fifth lap around the table. She keeps going around and around, and every time another book comes off. Here comes Ryan. She doesn't want to miss out on any fun. Good girl, Ryan. Oops. Grace comes out. Hi, Boo. Grace, are you tired? Hi, Grace. Oh my God. You're hilarious. You really are hilarious. Oh, Bobby.